Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how can we solve this problem guys. You can see guys, you have on this setting and guys you want to off this setting in your vivo phone. So as you can off it, and guys now let's see how to off this setting in your vivo phone guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So before starting video fans, I want to tell you, if you need my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So friends, now let's start the video. First of all, come in your phone setting. Guys, click on your shortcuts and accessibility, and guys we call it guys easy touch. So I tap on easy touch and guys off from here. So with this problem will off, and guys you cannot use these settings because guys easy touch has off in our vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to off easy touch in our vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.